Hello my friends, thank you so much for joining me again today. My name is Akhtar Iqbal. I'm working as Head of Internal Audit, Fraud and Risk Management. First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for your kind feedback and I have received on my previous videos. That was incredible actually. That gave me a lot of encouragement and motivation to do more videos on those topics. So based on those videos, there are a lot of the messages I have received on LinkedIn especially. My friends actually they requested me to have some sort of video on the CFE. So today I will just like 4-5 minutes video for this topic. I just want to make it clear what is CFE, why you have to go for this certification, how you can achieve it. Then I will be sharing some sort of practical experience that I have done. I have achieved certification within 4 days. That is something I have achieved. So this is I am going to share today with you guys. The number one I will just share with you, that is very important actually. I just want to share before going to that in detail. That is called fraud facts. Did you know that every company, every organization in this world, they're losing 5 to 7% of total revenue every year in fraudulent activities, but they don't know because they don't have any fraud prevention program implemented. They have the poor controls. Even they don't have the controls on those activities. That's why they're losing, and they don't know. It becomes in trillions. It becomes in trillions. That I will share with you on the screen. That how much in trillions as well. Okay, the CFE. Why you should go for the CFE? Because CFE right now, this is one of the best and the gold standard certification for the fraud examiners, for the internal auditors, for the lawyers, for accountants, auditors. So this is something that I suggest and I will stress that everyone should go for this one if you are pursuing career in this one as an internal auditor, because this is my practical experience. If you will go in the interview that I'm going to share why you have to do that, this one I will share with you why you have to do that. Okay, this is something very important that I'm going to share. These are the deciding factors that you have to think why you are going to take this certification. This certification will give you a lot of benefits. There are some benefits I just want to share with you. You can earn more money than non-CFEs. This is straightforward. There is no doubt about it. Wherever you will go for the interview, you will get preference on those interviews as well. Even though if you are going for the internal audit, it doesn't matter, because I have the experience that people they are just like they prep for those guys. They have the CIE and the CFEs. So this is something you will be getting more than, as per the report, 30% they're earning CFEs. They're earning more than non-CFEs. So this is and this will give you advancement in your career as well. You will be going in certification. I have wasted some time. So that's why I just want to convince you guys to go for this certification as soon as possible. It will give you edge. This is a very competitive market, job market. So if you don't have the certification, maybe you will be having, you can get the job, but I mean that can be, it will be a huge competition for you as well. So this can give you some sort of job security. If you're already in the job, this will give you job security as well, marketability. The people knows that this guy is certified fraud examiner as well. And the best thing that I have achieved in this certification, that is called credibility and the visibility as well. If you are credible, if you are visible, that is equal to profitability. So this is something I just want to share with you, that why you should go for this certification. Believe me, this is very important certification for the accountant, auditors, and the lawyers as well, investigators as well. This is something you have to go for. This can you can be extinguished from your peers as well, because you will be having this guy is certified fraud examiner, this guy is certified internal auditor. That's why I am just if you can see my videos, I'm always pushing, I'm always stressing on those certification you can do as soon as possible for this one. Okay, how you can do that? This is simple process. You have to become a CFE member first. The basic requirements is just like they will ask you for the academic qualifications, the basic practical experience. If you have, you will become member. Then you can start straight away the exam preparation. There are 4 exam in ACF, in the CFE, Certified Fraud Examiner. This is called just like fraud prevention and deterrence. And the number 2, financial transaction and fraud schemes. Number 3 is investigation. Number 4 is law. These are very easy exams. Based on my practical experience, I'm telling you, these are very easy exams. You can achieve it. This is very low, just like fee, certification as well. There is no fee for this. There is no huge fee for this certification. You can achieve in maybe less than $1,000 if you are if you want to go for this certification. Okay. What I would prefer to have self-study actually for this one. Just go and buy ACFE study guide and ACFE study, just like the software there. You can practice MCQs as well. I have done this actually in this way. I have done the self-study that I will be sharing with you at the end of this session. And then number 3 step, third one is just like apply for the exam, and you will be having 30 days to complete the exam. Once you activate, you will be getting 4 keys for the exam, and you will be having 30 days. Once one key is activated, from that day you will be having 30 days to complete that exam, and after that you have to pass the exam and you will be getting certification. Okay, the last and not the least, I will just share with my practical experience. I have done this certification in 4 days. That what I consider myself is a big achievement, and it's called a bit lucky as well. I would prefer just like to go for the certification for maybe a month. We can say if you're working in a company, if you're working in it's just like freelance, you just based on your the availability, you just go for this certification. This is very important to understand. I just have done, and within 4 days, how I will let me share with you. I have studied 15 to 18 hours a day. So this is, if you can do that, you can pass it. You can achieve this certification. My belief is just like you have to believe in yourself. If you are believing in yourself, you can achieve anything in this world. This is for sure. Nothing is impossible. You can achieve it. If you have the time for 15 to 18 hours a day, you can study. Just go for this exam. Study one day, one exam, then appear in the exam next day, you can pass it. Just practice the questions. Just practice. If you have practical experience, then it will be more easy for you guys as well. If you don't have practical experience, just take some time. In a month, you have to finish it actually. If you will prolong, then it will continue, you will prolong again and again. So this is something that, I have studied 18 hours. I went another day to give the exam and pass it. And continued 4 days I gave this type of exam and passed it within 4 days. So we can say effectively it was 8 days, 4 days study and 4 days exams. So this is something I just want to share. I just want to stress with you guys. You have to go for this one. This is very important certifications, even for the CAE and the CFE. Both are very important if you are pursuing a career in the internal audit and fraud risk management. So I hope this will help and you will get motivated from this video as well. And thank you very much for you guys for any feedback, for any comments. If you want any video, if you want any comments, if you want any feedback, any questions, if you have any questions, please put in comments. I will be replying your comments and the questions as well. Please be in touch. Please you can contact me anytime. So I will be available to discuss with you on this topic. Thank you so much. God bless you.